welcome back to my channel. It's me, the Red Lip Diva. Even though, and I know I say this every video, I'm not wearing red lips, but I am wearing lipstick today. It's a light red. Get pink. Don't pay no attention to me. I decided I wanted to channel my inner unicorn today. I decided that I wanted to play around a little bit with my new BH Cosmetics Aurora Lights palette, and I'm living for these colors, so I kind of did like a rainbowy kind of thing. So I've got like blue, purple, pink, and then green on my lower lash line. Kind of out of my comfort zone because I do wear a lot of bright eyeshadows, but I don't usually mix a whole bunch of them together. So yeah, anyway, so this video is going to be the August Ipsy unbagging for you guys, and then later on I will be doing a jewelry unboxing for Ear Fleek and Pura Vida bracelets. I haven't received my Mint Mongoose box yet, but it's going to have its own video because that's going to be my last mailing from them for a little while. At least probably until the first year. I'm trying to kind of pare down and swap out subscriptions that I've tried for a while in favor of some subscriptions that I want to try. So yeah. Anyway, like I said, let's get into the meat and potatoes of this video. This is the August Ipsy unbagging. And this is the fabulous hot pink metallic mailer that it comes in. Oh, before I do that, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. It is Saturday, the 18th here. It is the weekend before my child starts school. I live in South Carolina. We start school later in the year. So he starts school. That was my husband and his forgetful self. Anyway, so yeah, we're done school shopping and stuff this weekend and all that good stuff. So I'm doing pretty good this weekend. I hope you guys are too. So let's go ahead and, after that little segue, let's go ahead and open up the Ipsy bag for this month. So Ipsy is $10 a month, and you get 5 items and a makeup bag. And the makeup bag is different every month. They're usually really good about designing the Ipsy bag after the time of year that it's in. So again, my husband whistling.
Sorry.
I love my husband. I really do. No, I do. He's very supportive of my videos and everything, so yeah. Anyway, so and now I've lost my train of thought. It just derailed. Sorry. This is my giant 100-ounce Polar Pop cup full of ice water because it's hot as balls in my house and I'm very thirsty. Where was I? Oh, Ipsy bag. They're really good about designing the Ipsy bag for the time of year. I really look forward to the October one every year. Now, this month's Ipsy bag, you're able to preview the Ipsy bag and your items online or on their app before they send it out to you. I was a little worried about the Ipsy bag this month because on their website, the bag looks like bright highlighter orange. And I was not having it. That bag would probably have gone into a hole somewhere, never to be seen again, because I am not a big fan of orange. So I was very pleasantly surprised when I opened this just now. So this is the bag for this month. It's this very pretty peachy orange color. It's got a pale yellow piping around the edge, and then the same color zipper and tassel, or zipper pull. I really like this bag. It's like a canvas material almost. So before I open the bag, with Ipsy, you get points for referring people, you get points for reviewing products, and for reviewing the bag as a whole. Sorry guys, my nose itches so bad. So I had a good accumulation of points built up, and I went in their shop, and they rotate out their products every so often, and because things sell out and stuff like that. Well, I went on and I was very excited to see one of my very favorite products, and I got 2 different ones, and they sent it with this month's bag. So before I get into the bag itself, I'm going to show you what products I ordered from the Ipsy store. So this is the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Leave-In conditioning spray. I love this stuff. This is my favorite conditioner ever. I use it when I get out of the shower after I've towel dried my hair. It detangles, it conditions, it makes my hair feel and smell amazing, and it doesn't make it super oily. So yeah, I discovered this product when I got my FabFitFun box in June of last year. Oh gracious, I've been doing these videos for over a year now. Interesting. Anyway, so yeah, Rosarco milk, love this stuff. I will be buying the full size at some point, but if I can continue to get samples and I don't have to spend real money, I'm going to continue to get samples. The other product is by a brand called Hey Honey. I was not super impressed with Hey Honey at first. I received a Hey Honey mask, like a clay mask, in, let's see, I want to say in a birch box, possibly, but I tried the mask and it irritated my face, and I even featured it in like a as a not so favorite in one of my favorites videos. Was not impressed, but I decided that I wanted to give it another try just in case there was something else going on, and it turns out that was what was going on. It must have reacted weirdly to one of my other things, one of my other face care routine things, or my face just didn't like it at first, but I didn't have any problems with it after that one time. And I've actually received several Hey Honey products, and I really do like the brand now. So I saw this Hey Honey Come Clean Propolis and Minerals Facial Scrub. It says it cleanses and exfoliates for all skin types. And I will let you know that the Hey Honey products do come with a foil seal, so you can give them away, you can trade them, you can swap, whatever you want to do. But let me go ahead and peel this one off. It smells really good, so I'm just going to take a little bit out. It's very, very thick. That was actually more than I wanted to take out, but it'll be okay. So let's not drop it, April. So here's the scrub, and it's like it's not super fine, but not super coarse either. So it's kind of in between. It feels very nice on my hand. So I'm excited. That smells like pineapple. Like a pina colada almost. Oh, okay. I'm down for that. Alright, so those are the 2 items that I actually ordered from the Ipsy shop. Now let's go ahead and get into what's in the bag. So yeah, Ipsy is $10 a month, free shipping, you get 5 items. And to make a bag. I said that before. Sorry guys, I've tried to do this video. This is the 3rd time I've tried to do this video. The first 2 times, I don't know what my phone was thinking, but it spazzed out on me. It's okay, baby. So this is the little card that comes with it, and it says confidence levels selfie with no filter. This is the August 2018, and it says on the back, ready to glow. Your Glam Bag, 5 personalized pics, and tons of skincare tips on ipsy.com are here to help you look and feel radiant all month long. Food for thought. Did you know that turmeric, I hope that's how you pronounce that. I've always pronounced it turmeric, but there's an R in there where I didn't think there was supposed to be one. The orange spice used for cooking has serious skincare powers. Its antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties help fight acne, protect from sun damage, and brighten. Check out the Ipsy app to get the scoop on turmeric, plus a bunch more surprising skincare secrets. So yeah, there's my little card. Now, Ipsy does not come with an info card, but if you need to know information on the products, you can go onto the website or onto their app, and it will list your products that you received, and also like more information about them, where you can buy. My nose itches so bad. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I think drinking ice water is going to improve the itchiness, but it's refreshing all the same. So there we go. Anyway, so the first thing that pops out at me is this, what looks like an eyeliner, but is not. This is the $1 Million Brows Mini Universal Brow Pencil. And based on this band right here, it looks like it's a medium to dark brown. Let's open it up. So it's just a regular, like, retractable pencil. Kind of looks like an eyeliner or a lip liner. But let's go ahead and swatch it. So there's the swatch. It's just a medium brown brow pencil. I will probably just pop this in the makeup bag that's in my purse, just in case. Next up is by, and I know I'm going to pronounce this wrong because I never have gotten the way to pronounce it. It's either Ciate or Ciate. Ciate? I don't know. Anyway, I love this brand. This is the Glow 2 Highlighter Illuminating Powder Highlighter. Let's see here. It says on the back, add a gentle sweep across cheekbones, brow bones, and where the light would naturally hit your face for a soft, natural glow, or layer for an intense shimmer. I have highlighter going on today, but this is Be a Bombshell. Yeah. Anyway, so this is the highlighter, and this is in the color Moon Dust. I love anything to do with moons, so I'm definitely going to be keeping this. Here's the packaging. And this is meant to go in a empty palette, and I just so happen to have one. So this is the highlighter. I'd say it's probably about the size of a $50 maybe, but let's go ahead and swatch it. Holy whoa, okay. So that's just me rubbing my finger across it one time. Okay, that has got some serious shine. It's like a, almost like a champagne pink, like pink champagne. So, okay, yeah, I really like it. And I do have a palette, an empty palette from Shop Bissé that has some space in it, so this will definitely be popped into that. I love highlighter. Highlighter is life. I love Ciate London. Ciate London. I want to try their glitter flip lipsticks so bad. Anyway, moving on to the next thing. This is by a brand called Half Caked, and I want to say they used to be called just Caked. I've gotten a lip fondant from them before. This is a lip fondant in the color Girl Crush. It says it's babe tested, vegan approved. And let's see here. Let me get the... I'm trying to open the packaging. You guys know how much trouble I have with packaging and talking sometimes, apparently. So, this is the little box that it comes in. And let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, okay. So, this is Girl Crush. Oh, that is such a pretty color. And it's just got your regular doe foot applicator. So let's go ahead and swatch this. Oh, that is so pretty. It's like a... It's not really true red. It's like a reddish orange color. But that's really pretty. I really, really like that. And I like the lip fondants. Let me see if this one smells like as good as the last one did. Oh, they smell like cake. I love them. Okay. Sorry. I was fangirling for a minute. Okay, so the last two items in the bag are skincare items. One of them is by a brand that I've already talked about today. This is by Hey Honey. And this is the Hey Honey Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. Exfoliates to lift away impurities and drama, because who needs drama in their life? Unless you feed off that kind of thing, and then you need drama in your life. But let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Oh my gosh, it is metallic. So this is the mask, and it's got a kind of a sticky consistency to it. But you wouldn't really rub it in. You just put it on your face and then let it dry, and it'll peel off. I'm guessing, because it says it's a peel off mask. But it smells good. Kind of smells like honey, which would make sense because it's Hey Honey. So yeah, I can't wait to use this mask. So the last item in the box, in the bag rather, is a brand, also a brand that I like. But I love this packaging. This is the Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. And this packaging is so cute. It's like a metallic pink with watermelons on it. So cute. So this is a lightweight, oil-free gel cream. Refreshes and moisturizes for oily, combination, normal, and even sensitive skin. So for all skin types. And this also has a foil seal. Let's go ahead and pop that off. It smells like watermelon. I was hoping it would smell like watermelon. And it's just a kind of a clear, opaque. It absorbs pretty fast. And it smells like watermelon. I'm so excited that it smells like watermelon. Anyway, so I'm pretty happy with everything I got in my box today. Got 2 skincare and 3 makeup items, which I'm okay with. And the makeup items are all different. I got a highlighter, a liquid lip, and an eyebrow pencil. And the skincare is different too. I have a moisturizer and I've got a mask. So pretty excited about that, pretty happy. And this bag is really cute. It's that peachy orange color. I'm okay with orange as long as it's on the peach corally side. I do not like bright highlighter orange. That's just me. Now my ear itches. What is going on with my life today? Anyway, so that is it for the August Ipsy bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys will check them out. I will leave the link in the description box to subscribe. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me. I will see you guys next time. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll see you guys later.